Hi, I'm Bobby Patrick, Chief Marketing Officer at UiPath, and I'm here to invite you to Automation Starter, a UiPath Academy Reboot Your Skills program. One of the pillars of a fully automated enterprise is providing a robot for every person in your organization. Yes, even including within UiPath and including myself. Today, sales and marketing and UiPath have about 15% of all automations across the entire company. One of my favorites in marketing is Larry the Lead Bot. It's an unattended robot that manually changes the status of leads in Salesforce after receiving a reply from a Slack message from a sales rep or a business development rep we call BDR, and verifying the lead's details, such as a valid email address as well. For a company that receives hundreds of leads a day, this conversational automation helps us be up to 5 times more responsive to new customers and saves our teammates about 7,000 hours a year. We also have a social media bot that's kind of fun. It monitors comments on, for example, YouTube channels. It looks for posts and comments, and based on the submitter of the original media and the content on the post, our social media bot will actually route the comment and the link directly to the best person to respond. It's just a better way for us to be quick and responsive to companies and people on, across social media. And another robot that's a favorite of mine is Rosie, our Google Ads bot. Rosie simplifies the process of posting effective Google Ads within a large company, maximizing a Google ad and the right text on the ad itself and monitoring its performance. And this takes coordination between ad teams, product marketers, and obviously with Google. So Rosie can take the Google Ads process down to minutes from hours and days of coordination. And the key here is speed and efficiency that we gain. And product marketers can make sure they have the right message getting to the right person. They can change those messages quickly. It's just much more efficient to have a robot like Rosie. So why am I sharing my automation story with you? Well, I bet you want a robot on your own, someone to take those dreadful tasks that you are not very fond of. During these 10 days in the Reboot Your Skills program, you might get an idea of what you want your digital assistant to do. You'll also learn what RPA and automation are all about, how easy and fun it is to code with UiPath, and how quickly you can build automations directly within Studio X. So feel free to enjoy the possibilities that automation can bring into your life and complete your journey in your Reboot Your Skills Automation Starter program. I look forward to seeing you in the UiPath community. Take care.